Are we all coming, boys? Cool.
प्रभात पीछे
Yeah, everyone, okay? Yes, sadly, all the entire crew is not there. Inspiration is I've made this film for all the daughters of the world. It's basically the subject is saving a girl child, which is the most gravest issue today. It's still going on. Girls are getting aborted, they're getting killed. There are many places which I won't name. Got this thing yet going on, so I got inspired. I mostly make women empowerment के लिए women oriented films, short films. So I got inspired and I wanted this issue to come out because क्या होता है ना, हमारे यहाँ पर issues तो काफ़ी हैं लेकिन वो नज़रअंदाज करके सब बैठे रहते. So I thought of getting this issue in the front. So I picked up a real story of a girl who's faced this problem and I fictionized it, I dramatized it, and I got the character of Neetu. She's playing a doctor, also inspired from another doctor in real life. So one woman supporting the other is what is there in the film. One woman motivating the other woman, the other girl, I've shown she's helpless, but how the doctor motivates, how she actually gives birth to a girl, which she was being stopped to give birth from a long time. How she gives birth and how she fights for the girl and how the girl grows up to become very successful. That's all the film is all about.
Sir, you're not from the film industry. I mean, your background is like that. So how does it help out when people related to you, your family, or your relationship? So what do you feel about it, sir?
Like what?
Whole of your family is in the film industry. I mean, being an actor, being a producer, being a director. So how does it help out you to, you know?
Well, see, anything you do, anything you make, it really affects. It really the kind of films I'm making. I want these films to reach all around the world, so I send it to festivals. So what happens is, the family तो मैंने support तो करती है इस चीज़ में, and they feel proud about it because you know the kind of films I'm making, I'm giving messages, social messages, positive messages to people. So it's helping me also as in a filmmaker, as in a director, to excel in every film, so that I can gear up for my feature film by after this. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, short films is a good medium, and everybody is happy about it that I'm trying to make something different.
And one more thing, web series or short films are the medium which is telecast on a digital medium. So you get the freedom to express your creative design.
Correct. After the digital has started, YouTube का ये जो start हुआ है, web series or short films and all that has started. A lot of people have got that. A lot of talents are introduced. A lot of people have got work again. A lot of good actors and makers and technicians have started working a lot. काम बढ़ गया है. You know, it's good to see everyone working. You know, so it's a good platform for everyone to work because everybody can't do big films, right? Everybody don't get the opportunity to do films. तो ये एक अच्छा मीडियम बन गया है सबके लिए अपने टैलेंट्स को दिखाने के लिए.
And lastly, your sister and your brother-in-law both are big,
Yeah.
industry. What do you have to say? Do you have a plan to, cast your sister or,
Yeah, because this is something which I've not planned yet, but naturally if I really, the day I want to plan my feature film, I will plan with, I would want Rani to do it, of course, but then you don't know आज की डेट में क्या होगा ना, कल क्या होगा. I am naturally going to again, as her brother, I'm going to approach her first, but every actor has got their own space, they got their own genres, they got their own way of working. So it's about her to, if my script is really good, she'll do it. And if not, then I'll do it with someone.
And your brother-in-law are so supportive. I mean, such a humble person, I said. What do you have to say about him?
He's a very, very nice, very creative, very nice person. And he's the way he is. He's, I think, running one of the biggest production companies today in India. And he's doing well, whatever he's doing. Yeah.
But do you think these short films or web series medium are getting the great influence?
Of course, it's getting, everybody watches, every actor, every maker is making this, every person is watching this. every actors, every director, every technician is picked for films from here, because it's all about talent. Whether you make a web series, short film, anything you do, it's about your talent. It's about how creative you are and how good work you can do. So ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई फिल्म नहीं है या वेब सीरीज है ये है. Today web series is as huge as a film. Yeah, it's like. Thank you. Thank you.
मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस फिल्म के बारे में? इतने सारे फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में हमें इतने सारे अवार्ड जीते और बहुत ही सेंसेशनल इशू है. कितना ज़रूरी है एक सेंसेशनल इशू को मतलब शॉर्ट फिल्म के माध्यम से या फिल्म के माध्यम से पर्दे शो करना?
आई डोंट नो कितना सेंसेशनल है, पर सोशल कॉज है ये. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है कि एक कॉज को ऐसे हम लोग पोर्ट्रे करें, और फिल्म ही एक ऐसा ज़रिया होता है जो हर छोटे से छोटे घरों में, चाहे विलेज हो, टाउन हो, या कोई भी कंट्री का कोई भी पार्ट हो या दुनिया का कोई भी पार्ट हो, वहाँ आसानी से जा सकता है. आई थिंक इस तरह का सोशल मैसेज देना हो तो इससे अच्छी प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं हो सकती है.
शॉर्ट फिल्म मीडियम एंड इट्स गोइंग, शॉर्ट फिल्म एंड वेब सीरीज, these are the two mediums that are going a lot now.
I think the digital medium is the greatest medium. I just did another film called Play by Mr. Sahni, which has just crossed 1 million. I think it's a fantastic time that you in short time you're able to tell such a story. There are such big films with big timing and which are not able to convey what they want to say. So I think in such short time you're able to tell what the director wants to say is a great opportunity and great medium too.
But it does help out in getting more projects in the future as such. Talking about the feature film as well.
Feature film and a short film, I think there's a very fine line which is just dissolving now, because it's all about making a good film. It's a good film or a bad film. You can sit for 3 hours and watch a bad film, and you would just you not talk about it. You sit for 35 minutes and watch a great film. I think the fine line is dissolving, and it's always about doing a good script.
What are the future projects you're working on?
I'm working on Ladaku, which is my martial arts film. Balloon is my produced film. I've got 2 music videos releasing this month, which is one is Rekha Bhardwaj, another one is Payal Dev with Sony Music. These are the 2 projects, and I'm shooting for a film right now.
And when we was watching, there was only girls, women's around, but it has so much of emotions which is real. And I think जितनी भी लड़कियां हम साथ में बैठ के देख रहे थे, हर किसी के अंदर वो चीज़ दिखाई दे रही थी, वो पेन, वो दर्द, वो जुनून दिखाई दे रहा था. And Nita 110% she has done the wonderful work. And I think ये फिल्म बहुत अच्छा मैसेज दे सकती है और देगी ज़रूर, क्योंकि ये हर घर की, हर गली की, हर गांव की, हर जगह की ये सेम कहानी है. बस बात फ़र्क इतना है कि आधे से ज़्यादा लड़कियां वर्किंग वूमन हैं, तो वो अपने आप को या अपने हिसाब से लोगों को एडजस्ट कर लेंगे, और कुछ लड़के ऐसे हैं जैसे द अनदर कैरेक्टर विच आई हैव सीन, कि वो मतलब यहाँ तक सब कुछ लेकर आती है बट कुछ बयान नहीं कर पाती. सो मैं भी एज एन गर्ल मैं भी यही कहूँगी कि प्लीज़ हटा दो ये समाज का पर्दा, ये पर्दा, वो पर्दा, और जो लड़ाई अपने
से लड़ रही हो वो
ऐसे लड़ो कि दुनिया में हर लड़की का उतना नाम हो कि हर मर्द को शर्म आ जाए.
And what about the direction part? I mean, Raja sir have directed the film.
Fantastic. I have seen his before work as well. तो मुझे राजा जी के बारे में इतना सा भी कोई डाउट नहीं था. And of course with the Chaitanya, we have worked in a different level and in a different way. But मुझे उन पे कोई शक नहीं है. Fantastic work. They always work.
And do you think short films are a great medium of showcase your talent in a very short period of time?
Yeah, I believe that, क्योंकि आजकल टाइम लिमिट ऐसा हो गया है कि लोगों के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है. आप 2-2 ढाई घंटे की फिल्मों में आपको जो एंड में मैसेज देना होता है वो ही देखने से पहले लोग चले जाते हैं. सो ये शॉर्ट फिल्म का जो कॉन्सेप्ट अब जाके आया है, दिस इज़ रियली नाइस. मतलब आप चलते फिरते ट्रैवलिंग में आप किसी भी वक्त पे एक आधे घंटे की फिल्म देख सकते हो, और जो बना रहे हैं वो उस फिल्म के पीछे जो उनका मैसेज है, जो समाज को देने वाला जो वो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, वो लोगों के पास पहुंच सकता है. सो दिस इज फैंटास्टिक आइडिया. दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव. Thank you.